In today's digital age, the internet has opened up countless opportunities for people to earn money online. However, with these opportunities come a plethora of scams and pitfalls that can quickly lead to lost time, money, and personal information. In this video, we will be discussing how to avoid these scams and pitfalls when trying to make money online. The first step to avoid online money-making scams is to thoroughly research the opportunity before investing any time or money into it. Look for reviews and opinions from other users, as well as articles and news stories about the company or website. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Scammers often try to gain access to personal information, such as bank account or social security numbers, by posing as legitimate online opportunities. Never give out personal information unless you are absolutely sure that the opportunity is legitimate and trustworthy. Another red flag for online money-making scams is when the opportunity requires upfront payment before you can begin making money. Legitimate opportunities will not require payment for access to work. Be wary of any company or website that demands upfront payment. In conclusion, be cautious when exploring online money-making opportunities. Do your research, never give out personal information, and be wary of upfront payment demands. By taking the necessary precautions, you can avoid scams and pitfalls and safely earn money online.